I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and a backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, create a system restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Open settings quickly by typing it into Start and pressing Enter, then choose System to access the core options. Make sure to remain on a stable power source, laptops at 50% or higher, and keep network access available because some defaults sync from your Microsoft account. Next, restore defaults for file types and apps. Open Apps, then Default Apps, and set your preferred browser, email client, and media player. Click File Types to change associations. Then move to Privacy and Security to reset app permissions and reduce diagnostic data. This returns system telemetry to default levels. Use the search settings to rebuild the index if search behaves oddly and clear history where available. These steps align system behavior with fresh default expectations. And to finish, use Recovery and select Reset this PC if you need a full default restore. Choose Keep Files or remove everything based on your goal. After the process, restart and check Windows Update to apply patches and driver updates that restore stability. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode and use System Restore. Also run SFC and DISM scans to repair corrupted system files. This troubleshooting path resolves most problems and returns settings to a working default state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.